My name is Tom. I am 8 years old. I live in a small house with my family. We have a big garden with green grass and pretty flowers. There are red roses, yellow sunflowers, and white daisies in our garden. I have a dog. His name is Max. He is big and brown. Max has soft fur and big brown eyes. He has a red collar around his neck with a small bell. Max is 3 years old. We got Max when he was a small puppy. I remember the day we brought him home. He was so tiny and cute. Max is very funny and smart. He can run fast and jump high. He can also sit, give me his paw, and roll over. Max loves to play. His favorite toy is a yellow ball. We play with the ball every day in the garden. Max also has a red rope toy and a squeaky bone. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. Max is always happy to see me. He jumps on my bed and licks my face. His tail wags so fast when he is excited. After I get up, Max follows me everywhere. Then we go downstairs for breakfast. My mom makes pancakes or toast for me. Max sits next to the table and looks at me with his big eyes. Sometimes I give him a small piece of toast. After breakfast, I take Max for a walk in the park. The park is near our house. It is big and beautiful. There are many tall trees and a pond with ducks. Max loves to watch the ducks swimming. The park also has a walking path where many people walk their dogs. Max likes to play with a stick in the park. I throw the stick, and Max runs to get it. He is very fast. Max always brings the stick back to me. We can play this game for a long time. Sometimes, Max plays with other dogs in the park. He has many dog friends there. There is a big white dog named Snowy and a small black dog named Bella. Max runs and plays with them. They chase each other and have so much fun. At home, Max drinks water from a blue bowl in the kitchen. He eats from a red food bowl. Max eats meat and special dog food. His favorite food is chicken. He also likes beef. Max eats 2 times a day, in the morning at 8 o'clock and in the evening at 6 o'clock. After eating, he always wags his tail. Sometimes we give Max special treats. He loves dog biscuits and carrots. When I say sit and Max sits down, I give him a biscuit. Max sleeps in a small bed in my room. His bed is next to my bed and has a soft blue blanket. At night, before we sleep, I read a story. Max lies in his bed and listens. Sometimes Max dreams and moves his legs. I think he dreams about running in the park. During the day when I go to school, Max stays at home with my mom. My mom works from home, so Max is not alone. When I come home from school at 3 o'clock, Max is always waiting for me at the front door. He is so excited. His whole body shakes with happiness. After school, I do my homework at the kitchen table. Max sits under the table near my feet. When I finish my homework, Max and I play together in the garden. On Saturdays, my dad takes Max and me to the beach. The beach is 30 minutes away by car. Max loves the beach. At the beach, Max runs on the sand and plays in the water. He tries to catch the waves. There are seagulls at the beach, and Max chases them. Max can also swim very well. I help take care of Max. Every Sunday, I brush his fur with a special brush. Max likes being brushed. Once a month, we give Max a bath. Max doesn't like baths very much. We use special shampoo that smells like coconut. After the bath, Max smells nice and his fur is soft. We also take Max to the veterinarian once a year. The vet checks Max's health and says he is very strong and healthy. Max is also very helpful. When someone comes to our door, Max barks loudly. He protects our family. But Max is very kind and gentle, especially with children. My little cousin Emma is 4 years old, and Max is always careful with her. Max makes me very happy. When I am sad, Max sits next to me and puts his head on my lap. This makes me feel better. Max is not just a pet. He is my best friend and part of our family. I love Max very much. He is my favorite pet. I hope Max will be with us for many years. I cannot imagine my life without Max. He is the best dog in the world.
Now let's answer the questions. How old is Tom? What color are the flowers in Tom's garden? What color is Max's collar and what is on it? How old was Max when Tom's family got him? What 3 tricks can Max do? What color is Max's rope toy? What time does Tom wake up in the morning? What does Tom's mom make for breakfast? What animals are in the park pond? What are the names of Max's 2 dog friends in the park? What color are Max's 2 bowls? What 2 types of meat does Max like? What time does Max eat his meals? What 2 treats does Max like? What color is the blanket on Max's bed? What does Tom do before sleeping? What time does Tom come home from school? How long does it take to drive to the beach? When does Tom brush Max? How often does Max go to the veterinarian?